videoing, trying to get water, the flood and all that here in Murfreesboro. I don't know how many videos I made now, and it's almost dark now. So we are in our news van, and we are filming the news, people, bringing you the news. There is a flood right there. There's a flood. There's a flood, and it's almost dark. Wow, it's dark through here. Ooh, I'm about to put on night vision. Wow. Y'all hear that? We're trying to get back here where the creek is over flooding. Oh. Right there, you think? No. Whoa. Those people's houses are flooded, see? Ooh, you can really hear that. Ooh, lightning.
Now, my only suggestion is just go run across there.
Run across where? Over there? Right now? Okay, me and Daniel are trying to bring you the news. Here, come over here. We are risking our life for you. Because we're done. We want to show y'all the creek and the flooding. And I'm running across the street. And it's lightning out. Oh my God, I'm dumb. Duh. Where's the creek?
Right there.
How are we gonna get down there? We are running. This is what we do for our viewers. We are very dedicated. And I have high heels on. I'm so dumb. Dude.
Look right there.
Holy crap.
That's all water just blurting out.
Hold on. Ugh.
Look at the river.
Okay, stop. Stop. Dude, we need to go.
Oh, it's overflowed right there.
Oh my God. The whole thing's overflowed. Ah! We are done. Daniel, get over here. Now. Oh my God. This is the river. It's supposed to be a tiny little creek. And, hold on. This is what it looks like. I don't know how we're gonna get back to our van.
Running to the rain.
There we go. This is our creek, and it's over flooding. It's just a little creek into the pathway.
It starts flooding right there.
Wow.
Right through there.
This is like a little tiny creek, you guys, like maybe 5 foot across. Oh shit. It's lightning, we gotta go. Oh, that's it.
Want to put that under my shirt?
Hold on, Daniel. Run! Mom has high heels on. Oh my God, it's lightning. Please, God, don't let the lightning kill us. Goodbye, people.